Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Nur Toibah Shazli binti Shaha, PA 18057. In this video, I would like to explain about the introduction of solid waste issue. What is solid waste? Solid waste is the unwanted or useless solid material generated from human activity in residential, industry and commercial area. Solid waste also defined as non-soluble material that is discarded in a solid or semi-solid form. Solid waste is classified into 5 types by making reference to the source of the waste. These 5 types of solid waste are municipal solid waste, construction and demolition waste, chemical waste, special waste and other solid waste. Municipal solid waste is the garbage which is controlled by municipal government. Municipal solid waste consists of household waste, construction waste from street. This garbage is generated mainly from residential and commercial complex.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Adriana, PA 18030. I'm going to present on countries that are most affected by the municipal solid waste. High-income level countries like United States produce more waste than middle and low-income level countries. However, according to a study by World Bank Group, in 2050, the rate of waste production will be highly increased in lower middle-income countries like India. This is due to their rate of urbanization. In addition, the high rate of population in India worsened the situation. Even high-income level countries produce more waste than low-income level countries. It seems that low and middle-income level countries are more affected by the uncontrolled waste production. This is due to how the countries manage their waste. Proper waste management is expensive. Low and middle-income level countries, however, having a difficulty in providing adequate budget on waste management. This is why even high-income level countries like US generates more waste than India, but India is more affected by the waste generated due to their poor waste management. Thank you.
Major causes of waste to environmental pollution. Solid waste are categorized as municipal waste, industrial waste, and hazardous waste. Municipal waste originate from human domestic activity, which generally consists of a combination of household and commercial waste generated by living community, including degradable, moderately degradable, and non-degradable waste. There are a few causes of solid waste pollution, which are urbanization factor, overpopulation factor, affluence factors, and technology factors. However, in India, there are 2 major causes of solid waste pollution, which are urbanization factor and overpopulation factor. Rapid population growth and expanding urbanization resulted in a dramatic increase of municipal solid waste generation and waste composition. Besides that, India also faced the crisis of waste management that contribute to solid waste generation. In conclusion, urbanization and overpopulation growth in India not the only major causes of environmental pollution created by solid waste, but insufficient solid waste management system also one of the factors that cause the environmental pollution increase in India.
Assalamualaikum, I am Sarah Aisyah, PA 18028. I will be explaining on the impacts of environment problem in India. There is a few impacts on the environment, human and animals, and they are all linked to one another. The reason why this problem becomes crucial is the manners lacking and the knowledge of the people as they dump the waste anywhere, especially in the coastal areas. So, this is the condition at the coastal area in India. Water quality is affected and aquatic system is contaminated with the presence of heavy metals. This has resulted in the declining of ecological imbalance and has affected the aquatic life such as fish. It will become worse when humans consume the fish. MSW such as food waste release rotten odors to the air which will affect the air quality. The waste might contain methane from paints, aerosol sprays, moth repellents and others. When there is methane in the air, there will be rising of temperature. Another problem of MSW is it human due to the growth of microbial agents. Chronically, it affects human health, causing respiratory problem, skin irritation, allergies, or even worse, chemical poisoning that lead to cancer. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Iqbal Hanif bin Ismail, PA18060. With the current population of 1.38 billion people according to World Odometers,
India generating more than 150,000 metric ton of solid waste every day, and worse, approximately only 90% of the total amount is collected. India needs a better solution to its municipal solid waste management.
firstly, the needs of educating the household, the whole community, industry, and all levels of government in order to create an awareness towards maintaining quality of the environment. Next, the government must play their own roles in improving law enforcement of Environment Protection Act 1986, EPA toward waste collection, transportation, treatment, and disposal of waste. Then, they need to make recycling industry profitable to rag pickers. After that, India needs to make use of technology to build energy from waste or plants. Lastly, India needs to build a new sanitary landfills around the country due to existing landfills already exceeded their lifespan and now turned into a huge mountain of waste causing severe degradation of the environment and loss of natural resources. Thank you.
A very good evening. My name is Manisha Naidu and Alaki Madalagan. My ID is PA18036. So I'm here to summarize my conclusion. Population growth and particularly the development of megacities is making solid waste management in India a major problem. The current situation is that India relies on inadequate waste infrastructure, the informal sector, and waste dumping. There are major issues associated with public participation in waste management, and there is generally a lack of responsibility towards waste in the community. There is a need to cultivate community awareness and change the attitude of people towards waste, as this is fundamental to developing proper and sustainable waste management systems. Sustainable and economical viable waste management must ensure maximum resource extraction from waste combined with safe disposal of residual waste through the development of engineered landfills and waste to energy facilities. India faces challenges related to waste policies, waste technology selection, and the availability of appropriately trained people in this waste management sector. Until these fundamental requirements are met, India will continue to suffer from poor waste management and the associated impacts on public health and the environment.